Hey guys, are you ready to take your Taco Tuesdays to the next level? With this super easy Keto Taco Pie recipe, you can now enjoy the mouth-watering combo of seasoned ground beef, gooey cheese, crisp vegetables, and zesty spices, all together in a perfect symphony of low-carb ingredients. This recipe has only 2.7 net carbs per serving, and it is, in my opinion, a Mexican culinary masterpiece that will satisfy even the pickiest of eaters. Before you begin, as we always do with these type of recipes that require baking, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Over medium-high heat, add the ground beef to a skillet and cook until it's beautifully browned. Drain any excess grease so it doesn't get too oily and spoils the rest of the flavors. Remember, oily does not equal tasty every time. Now mix the taco seasoning with the ground beef you've got on your skillet. Stir it well until everything is fully blended. For this step, grease your pie pan so nothing gets stuck to the bottom, then transfer and spread the seasoned beef evenly onto the whole surface. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs with a whisk. Once they have a smoothie texture, pour in the heavy cream, green onions, chilies, and salsa. Then grab a cup of cheese, crumble it, and mix it in. Pour the egg mixture over the seasoned meat that you've already spread in your pie pan. Then sprinkle a generous amount of cheese on top. Bake this in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes, or you can do it by checking the eggs until they are cooked to your liking. To put in the touch of a real gourmet chef, you can top your dish with generous dollops of sour cream and colorful green onions. They say food not only is tasted, but also enjoyed through the eyes. What do you guys think about that statement? Do you agree with it? Let me know in the comments.
If you enjoyed the video, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.